Scaling up production? Then you know the biggest headache isn't buying new machines. It's getting them to actually run stably. You set up the new line, but your yield rates just won't climb. Why? It's a trap called process instability. The problem usually comes down to immature equipment design. There's a massive gap between a vendor who is just guessing and a partner with decades of experience. The devil is in the details. How are the parts fed? Where's the exact reference point for positioning? Will the components crack during assembly? You can't calculate this on a whiteboard. You only learn it through real-world projects. We've handled thousands of electronic component projects, especially in connectors. Many of our process solutions have been running on factory floors for over a decade, producing billions of units. We never start from scratch. When our machines hit your floor, our engineers aren't trying to figure out if they'll run. They're dialing them in for absolute peak performance. Look, when you buy automation equipment, you aren't just buying motors and metal. You're investing in decades of proven process experience. Because at the end of the day, stability isn't about how many parts you can push through. It's about your final yield rate.